Backpacking and hiking across beautiful landscapes can be the experience of a lifetime. But without proper gear and essentials, your trip can be ruined. So in this video, we'll show you 10 ultimate gear and gadgets for hiking and backpacking. Enjoy! As you prepare for your next journey, you know you need a trustworthy partner to accompany you. And that's why you need the Mountaintop M5812, a hiking backpack that will not only hold all your essentials, but also keep them dry and secure. Crafted with durable tear and water-resistant polyester fabric, the M5812 backpack is made to withstand any challenges. The YKK zippers and buckles ensure a seamless opening and closing experience, while the sleek and robust design makes it a perfect choice for hikers, hunters, and fishermen. This backpack provides ample storage space, featuring multiple pockets and compartments that give you plenty of room to store your belongings. The main compartment is spacious enough to hold a 15.6-inch laptop, and the side and hip pockets are ideal for small items. Additionally, the built-in rain cover in the bottom pocket ensures your gear stays dry, no matter what the weather conditions are. Besides, the M5812 is designed for your comfort in mind, featuring breathable mesh padding and a ventilated back system that keeps you cool and dry on hot days. Its ergonomically designed structure evenly distributes weight, making it more comfortable to carry even when fully loaded. Thoughtfully designed, the M5812 keeps all your items organized. The bottom compartment provides direct access to the main compartment for easy access, and the compression belts can carry trekking poles, sleeping bags, tents, and other camping equipment. Plus, with a range of color options to choose from, you'll definitely find one that matches your style. So whether you're exploring the city or venturing into the great outdoors, the Mountaintop M5812 backpack is perfect for all your needs. This is the Outdoor Research 4A2, a convenient and simple solution to tackle any adverse weather conditions. This one's Outdoor Research's best-selling Gore-Tex rain jacket for a reason, as its refined fit, modernized design, and best waterproofing doesn't leave any question about its quality. Features like torso flow venting make it even better, with better breathability. So forget about adverse weather conditions on your backpacking trip with this Outdoor Research 4A2. Now, the Link is an interesting one from Cutaway to spice up a tiring backpack adventure. And what makes it so interesting? Let us tell you how this compact one is a game changer for such adventures. This innovative one can work as a comfy blanket, a pillow, a travel sheet, and whatnot. But is the view being too dramatic? No worries, as this one can even be a hammock to feel nature from the closest. Here are the Polar Bear Series hiking boots from Nortiv 8, a comfortable and warm pair of boots to keep those feet happy on the trail. The first thing anyone will love about these boots is their eye-catching design and color combination. The rubber soles don't only make them exceptionally grippy to provide the ultimate traction and anti-skid performance on any challenging trail, slopes, mud, snow, slippery shoulders, and whatnot, but having a laced-up closure, these boots can be worn pretty easily with metal hooks. Then comes their top-notch waterproofing, thanks to their water resistance upper construction leading to a dry and comfortable working experience. But does that mean they comprise with breathability? Guess not, as the pair of boots are impressively breathable to keep those feet dry. Now, if you think about comfort, the Polar Bear series features a TPU midsole, a super comfortable footbed, and a soft padded collar for a comparatively more stable and responsive experience. Oh, we just cannot forget how effectively these boots absorb shock. So for a snug fit to proper toe, ankle, and underfoot protection, to the most rugged durability in the great outdoors, nothing gets left behind with this Polar Bear series. Meet the GoTel Squad, a crucial gadget when traveling off the grid, as it'll help you from getting lost or detached from the group. Covered by 4 different satellite networks like GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou, this wearable tracker will keep its users and every group member on track. Then comes features like real-time navigation and tracking, keeping every backpacker aware of each other. And interestingly, users can even send short messages right from this device. Here's the Leatherman Skeletool, a compact but effective multi-tool to take on those adventures. Now, unlike most other multi-tools, this one doesn't have any fuss to offer. Instead, it features 7 useful tools like the 420HC knife, needle nose pliers, hardwire cutters, wire cutters, and large bit drivers, and a carabiner, so any kind of quick fix can be done quite easily. And yeah, we almost forgot that users can double its carabiner part as a bottle opener, which many people consider a must-have. This is the Camelback Crux, a versatile and easy-to-carry water reservoir to keep anyone hydrated on those backpacking trips. The new and innovative design of this bladder includes a handle for an easy refill and about 20% more water every sip. Then comes its HydroGuard technology, which effectively eliminates the growth of any bacteria, keeping your drinking water safe and pure. Most interestingly, its big bite valve self-seals after each sip, so it doesn't drip on its user. 180 headlamp is a unique one to take on those adventurous nighttime backpacking sessions. Now, at first glance, anyone can tell the difference between this and a conventional headlamp, which is its innovative 180-degree LED formation. Combining that with a long throw beam, users can get both range and surround lighting pretty effortlessly. As a result, users can get rid of those annoying problems we get from tunnel visioning. Xset is a collapsible set of cookware from sea to summit to treat anyone with some jaw-dropping meals during a backpacking trip. Available in different models, each one is unique, so users can pick according to their necessities. Combining aluminum and heat-resistant silicone, these cooking pots are exceptionally lightweight and can be collapsed into anyone's backpack quite easily. One may have all the cookware and everything, but Snow Peak Gigapower 2.0 is that capable heat source no one can forget. Being lightweight and foldable, this pocket stove can be stowed in a corner of a backpack. But what makes it versatile is its universal valve, which can be coupled with any conventional gas canister. Super efficient heat distribution, ultimate portability, and an easy flame controller. Nothing gets left behind with the Snow Peak Gigapower 2.0. So that concludes our list of 10 ultimate gear and gadgets for hiking and backpacking. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.